Blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you try to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you let me blink twice, oh, you got that symphony. Like that-oo, that-oo, that-oo. If you like me blink
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 for your family.
Father, we give back you all the glory, all the honor, all the praise. Our producer, cast, even the entire production staff, I'm praying that you will come to this. And God, take you even further.
Kumusta panonood ng mga emosyon ang naramdaman niyo?
For me naman, syempre, hindi maiiwasan ang kilig. Eto katabi ko, sobrang kilig na kilig. Pero, you know, there's more to that. There's more to than just feeling kilig. There's so much emotion in the movie. And for me kasi, it's very realistic on how love, friendship, and even family is. So, sobrang relatable. It's not like a super grand OA romance, yeah, romantic. No, it's more of focusing on the lessons that we can learn. So, sobrang ganda. I felt every emotion, from sadness, tapos biglang natatawa, tapos may kilig talaga. So, it's a definitely nice, warm movie.
Without spoiling anything, anong part ng film ang pinaka-na-apektuhan? Ano makapag-realize sa'yo ng anything?
I have to. Well, isa lang eh. Okay. Without spoiling though. Yeah, it's hard to. Siguro, that one scene where you expect them to do something or give more, but then they don't. And there I really realized the importance of friendship, what love really is. That love isn't just romantic. It cannot be shared just a romantic or any form like that. It can also be shared as a Yeah, yung Kim Pao na movie. Yung namin nakita yung trailer, it's like, wait, what's this movie about? And then you saw like the feeling, is this really happening between Mom Charo and their dating dog? So it was very interesting. It piqued my interest. That's why I'm here to enjoy the movie. And I can really say that I enjoyed the movie. Sobra, while watching it, parang ang galing nila. They're both great actors, definitely. Kaya na-excited ako manood. I think everyone relates to that. And seeing them on screen, grabe, the chemistry, everything, they gave justice to their roles. So,
Guys, walang lines, no?
yes.
Ano lang,
Tama-tama.
Tapos may...
Tapos on, no spoilers.
Ay, no, sorry. Pero nakakagaling talaga.
I think it's the importance of living because every day as we live, there's so many instances in our life that we feel like we've died. It doesn't mean physically, but emotionally and mentally. And that's, I think, something that we're very in denial. We don't, or like our society doesn't really hold on to that. But I think this movie is an eye-opener, and it's really a great opener for Filipino